You should wash your hands for 20 seconds before handling food, every time you return from doing something else between handling meats and vegetables, and any time you handle an egg. Turn the water up as hot as you can stand it. Add soap to your hands and sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Rinse your hands well. And dry them with a paper towel. Use a paper towel to turn off the water. It pays to be safe, even at home. Thanks for watching and have a great day.